Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. Anniversary time is almost upon us. Some new, exciting, never predicted leaks and rumors regarding the 10th anniversary Galaxy are here. Thought that Samsung will release two Galaxy S10 models, a Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus, but turns out there will be a third model that could be the true ultimate anniversary edition flagship. So according to ET News, multiple industry officials that are participating in the development of the next Galaxy S series have revealed that it's also working hard on the foldable phone and they're looking to release it in the first half of 2019 after the Galaxy S10 announcement. So the report mentions that it's going to be a 7-inch tablet slash phone thing, so you should be able to fold it and put it in your pocket, and when unfold it's going to be 7-inch big. Some new reports have suggested that Samsung will dish the iris scanner on the Galaxy S10 in favor of an in-display fingerprint scanner. It kind of makes sense. I mean, they are getting rid of the earpiece by implementing a sound emitting display. So with that, we just don't need the earpiece. It's just the front camera left to worry about. They don't want to make things harder by having the iris scanner there as well. So that's why they might have decided to go without iris scanner. And that also leak of the Galaxy S10 about the design or the cameras, but I'm positive that something like this could happen. Samsung has suffered one of the worst years in smartphone sales. They are doing bad in China and it got even knocked from the first spot in India, which is taken by Xiaomi. So it's time Samsung should bring the ultimate heat with the 3 Galaxy S10 models. Beyond Zero Flat, Galaxy S10 is said to be the entry-level S10, and this model will help to expand the market. The S10 Edge is going to be more expensive because of the Edge display and dual cameras, and then the S10 Edge Plus with triple cameras and 6.2-inch display. This lineup is looking very similar to the 2015 Galaxy S lineup. So we had the flat S6, the S6 Edge, and the S6. Entirely dependent on the phone. It could have its own battery. According to SamsungMobile.news tweet, Galaxy Note 9 could have a built-in Bluetooth, and with that you could use it as a remote to control. Another reason for that is to make the S Pen capable of phone calls. So in addition to Bluetooth, it could also have speaker and a microphone in order to make the complete phone call, as long as it remained close to the Galaxy Note 9. Another theory out there regarding the Bluetooth on the S Pen says that it will allow you to write on a pen. Means that they're confident in their in-display fingerprint scanner solution, which is not going to be faster but also reliable than the current in-display fingerprint scanner we have on Chinese phones. Also, we have some exciting news on the Note 9 as well, specifically its S Pen. Ice Universe tweeted out saying that the S Pen on the Note 9 is worth the wait. He says that the S Pen will have its own soul. Seems like the S Pen might not be engaging with the S10 Beyond 1 model. And then comes the Beyond 2 model, which I like to call the Ultimate 10th Anniversary Edition Beast. It's going to have a 6.2-inch display with triple cameras on the back. It's insane. We have heard last time that Samsung was considering equipping one of the Galaxy S10 variants with the triple cameras, but seems like they might have made the decision to have the triple camera setup on the Plus model after all. This is absolutely insane news. We already have optical zoom with the secondary sensors, so having a wide-angle lens on the third sensor would make a lot of sense. It would be the most complete camera setup on any phone. I hope it happens because it's gonna be absolutely incredible. And the words will appear on the phone. And you might be thinking, why not just write on the screen? Well, it's not quite the same thing as writing on a paper. So you can write on paper. It's not really writing since it's going to be invisible, no ink whatsoever. So it's just you're giving the signal and the words will appear on the screen properly in your own handwriting, the way you write on a paper. I mean, it's complex. We don't know what's really the purpose behind putting the Bluetooth inside the Galaxy Note 9's S Pen, but it definitely has me exciting, and we'll see soon the science behind it. So yeah guys, that's all we have on the Samsung news. The Galaxy S10 is coming in 3 versions. I'm super excited, super pumped, and also excited for the Note 9 because it's actually having some really good, interesting things, and it's coming really soon on August 9. So let me know your thoughts about all this Samsung stuff, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.